Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolterman Homestead. Pretty excited today about today's little short video. We are hooking up our water supply line to our well, to our sink. This is going to be pretty neat. I'm going to go kind of tell you pretty descriptively what we're doing to hook everything up. I also wanted to add, we also have a video on our YouTube channel that we have this table that we built. Highly encourage you to check it out. Very proud of this. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So what we got, just kind of want to briefly tell you what supplies I got. I got a 25-foot garden hose. They didn't have anything shorter, so it was 25 foot or nothing. So I picked up that yesterday, and they make these, you can get them pretty much in any hardware store, because the hose threads has different fittings than different, rather like black pipe or piping or whatever. So I got that, and I already got my fitting on here to my hose. I got fortunate, I had some fittings already in my toolbox that I'm running from this fitting to this union to this adapter, reducer, to hook up to the sink. So I'll go ahead and start putting her together.
So what is that there?
Thread locker. That is thread locker that I got. I didn't have any tape, thread tape, so I ended up getting that instead. Out of the way, start putting some fitting on here. Alright, well, so it didn't take too long. Worked out pretty well. Again, just kind of a little bit of a repeat. We had some fittings. I had some extra fittings in the toolbox and made it work. Got a regular garden hose, 25 foot, going to a special fitting made for a hose that attaches to the hose itself, going to a half-inch to a half-inch union, a half-inch reducer, and then I got that hooked up to our sink. So without further ado, we'll move on to the final steps to hooking up our water supply to our outside sink. So we're here in our little well house, pump house. Next thing I'm going to do is, you can see kind of where I've already ran out an electrical cord to her greenhouse for her greenhouse lights. But I'm going to take this board off real quick right here, and then the idea of what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill through about right here, and then, well, actually, you know what, I'm thinking, I'm losing my mind here, but I'm just going to go ahead and drill through, and then after we get outside where the hole's out, we're going to go back out. My beautiful assistant, my wife, she's going to hand me the garden hose through, and we'll hook her up. So like anything, you always get setbacks. Last time I drilled through this, my bit made it all the way through, but with this bit it's a little shorter, so I got the other side started. I got a measurement of 5 inches, so I'm just gonna kind of a guesstimation go over to about right here and start this side, and hopefully with a little bit of luck I'll meet on the other side. So here we go. Alright, so a little bit off, but we were pretty dang close. So my lovely, beautiful wife here, she's going to hand this to me, and I'm going to try to pull it through on the other side. Hey guys, so we had a little bit of a setback. I forgot to get it's specifically for garden hoses, because the thread pattern from regular NPN pipe is different. So I ran to town real quick and got the correct fitting. You can get these, I think this was like $4 or $5, just for your guys' information and knowledge. Very handy if you need to connect 2 male ends together. This is the fitting to do that. So this is last but not least job we got to do. I'm going to go ahead and put the coupling on the hose that we ran from our sink outside into here, and tighten this down nice and snug. Should be good. And last but not least, connect the other end. That's really tight. So the last test is to see if we get water.
Yay!
So that is a great feeling.
So we are aware too that like the water just flows out of here. So we're either going to get 2 5-gallon buckets or just kind of like a large tote. And then the liquid that we catch, we'll just take it back out to the garden and kind of recycle. So I mean, the purpose of this table is to like wash vegetables, or this coming week, next week, we are hoping to get our meat birds harvested, and that will be what this table will also be used for. We'll probably put a cone on the end of it and do that project here.
We're very thankful and blessed to get this done. It's been a journey in the making. We always get sidetracked with other side jobs, and so we're real happy to finally get this put in and use it when we need it. I hope you guys like this little short video. I was very happy to be able to go through and show you guys our setup. If you have any comments or questions, just let me know. As always, thank you and God bless from the Wolterman Homestead.